Good morning, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far. Before we jump in for today, of course, everything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial advice because it is certainly not. Although everything I do share with you is live market and applicable, so I want to be clear about that for a moment. So, what's happening here? The market was selling off. The buyers stepped in, and the market did an about-face turnaround and marched higher. So, as you can see to the left side of this chart, price was starting to break down. And what happens when price breaks down? Eventually, value is found. And how do we know when the value point is found? Well, simply, when V-swarm steps in. You can clearly see this green bottom here. Nothing else touched it lower than that bar itself, and the market did a complete turnaround. It went from selling off to right where the buyers found value with a green bottom, and then climbed from that point over 100 points in the NASDAQ. That is a very, very significant move in an intraday time frame. Guys, the market just turned on a dime. How did we know it was going to turn? Very simply, we had a volume confirmation. That painted green bottom bar right there told us that the buyers are stepping in, this is where they found value, and the market is going to turn. Now, if you analyze the bottom green bar there, you can see that the bar actually closed in price lower than it opened. Now, naturally, that would normally tell you that that is a bearish signal, not a bullish signal. Although it was close from open to close, this would normally traditionally paint as a red bar. But since we here at Hawkeye paint our bars based on actual volume, not the open and the close of the bar, it signified to us and gave us the early onset before this 100-point move occurred that the buyers were stepping in. It was merely a matter of just waiting for the setup, executing our trade plan, and profiting. It's that simple. This could have allotted you a very, very rewarding day in a very, very short period of time. And that is our objective here at Hawkeye. That is our objective with Project V-Swarm, is that you know when it's time to get in, you know when it's time to profit, and you know when it's time to get out. And as that all transpires, it gives you the clean and clear opportunity to earn a very, very rewarding return on your investment. So obstacles are the cost of greatness. I don't know anybody who ever just became successful without having obstacles, whether it was in their trading career, or if it was in their job, or a business they built, or whatever, a relationship. Every aspect of life, you are going to find obstacles. You will find them in your children, in your parents, in your grandparents, in your grandchildren. Their life is full of obstacles, and those obstacles are the cost of greatness. It's the choices that we make when faced with those obstacles that separate us from those who can deal and those who can't. And with that, the same thing is applicable when it comes to trading. You will find obstacles in the market. I can assure you of it. Trading can be difficult. If you don't have the proper indicators, if you don't have the proper trade plan, if you don't have the proper discipline and consistency, I promise you trading can be very, very difficult. But if you have all of those things, if you are able to put together everything that we here at Hawkeye offer, your learning curve, your obstacles will become much less significant than they have to be. I learned the hard way. It took me many years. It took me many destroyed trading accounts, many other educational programs and indicators to finally find what I was looking for the entire time at Hawkeye. And now I'm here to teach it to you, to curve your learning curve, to make life easier for you. That is my objective. My objective is to help you make your obstacles a little less intense for you to achieve your own greatness. Now, guys, if you're working with us, You understand the power of harnessing V-Swarm. You understand the power of how volume precedes price action. If you're not working with us yet, I strongly encourage you to click the link below. In that link, you will find a webinar that will again break down just how valuable understanding and harnessing the power of volume can completely and utterly change your path moving forward as a trader. You can visit us to learn more at hawkeye.com, email us team1@hawkeyetraders.com, or always feel free to call us at 888-233-8598. With that, have a great day. And like I said, if you are struggling, if you're just getting started, if you've been trading for a long time and know that you have greater potential, I encourage you to click the link below and watch the webinar. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.